We on episode 2 of our seller series. If you are preparing to put your home on the market or just want to spruce up your curb appeal, you should listen to this video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. We are on episode 2 of our seller series, and we're going to talk about adding curb appeal. So you're going to want to trim bushes and branches so they don't block windows and architectural details. You're going to want to install new matching locks and knobs on your front door. Repair any cracks or holes in the driveway and clean oil spots with degreaser and a steel brush. Edge the grass around the walkways and trees. Upgrade your outdoor lighting. Purchase a new doormat for outside your front door. Clean your windows inside and out. Polish or replace your house numbers. And last but not least, mow your lawn. Turning on the sprinklers for 30 minutes before the showing will make the whole yard sparkle. And don't forget to download your Prep to Sell guide. The link is below. And I want to thank you for tuning in to our second episode of the seller series. This is August Maier, your angel of real estate, making sure your transaction is seamless while always giving you loyalty, integrity, and professionalism.